I'm Brian White. I'm the chairman of the Ray White Group. One of our roles that I love playing in our organisation is endorsing and supporting fantastic avenues and marketing opportunities for our vendors. And here at the event on the Gold Coast, we have one of the most fantastic opportunities for vendors to get together through the event and take their properties right through, not only to the Australian markets, but to much broader than that. I'm looking around here today, already seeing so many different types of people here, different brochures in their hands, all here, excited, and in the environment of let's go and do something. I commend the event to our sellers. It's something that's proven itself by its success, and every year it keeps getting bigger through that success.